Hey and welcome to Psychology for Everyday Life. Today I've got the secret formula to make everyone like you within seconds. You won't believe how easy it is. Did you know that first impressions are formed within the first 7 seconds of meeting someone? First impressions are critical, and research suggests they are formed within the first 7 seconds of meeting someone. This means that even before you've said much, people have already made up their minds about you. In a world where social connections are invaluable, the ability to make people like you instantly can be a game changer. Whether in professional settings or personal interactions, positive relationships are built on the foundation of a good first impression. The good news is that there are specific strategies you can use to ensure that the first few moments of meeting someone are impactful and likable. One of the biggest challenges we face in social interactions is the desire to make a good impression quickly and effortlessly. It's natural to feel anxious about new encounters and to worry about how we are perceived. This challenge can often lead to awkwardness or missed opportunities to form meaningful connections. Fortunately, making people like you is not as elusive as it seems. There are simple yet powerful techniques that can help you create an immediate positive impact. Maintain eye contact. Eye contact is one of human interaction's most powerful nonverbal cues. It conveys confidence, attention, and respect. By looking someone in the eyes, you show that you are fully present and engaged in the conversation. Smile, genuinely. A genuine smile can light up your face and make you seem approachable and friendly. Smiling triggers positive feelings in others and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Use their name. Remembering and using a person's name in conversation makes them feel recognized and valued. It shows that you are paying attention and that they are important to you. Mirror body language. Subtly mimicking the body language of the person you are speaking to and create a sense of harmony. Mirroring indicates that you are in sync with them and fosters a deeper connection. Show genuine interest. Ask questions and show curiosity about the other person's interests and experiences. When you are genuinely interested, it makes the other person feel appreciated and understood. Compliment sincerely. Everyone appreciates a sincere compliment. It can be about their appearance, their work, or something they said. Compliments, when given genuinely, can boost the other person's self-esteem and make them feel good about themselves. The key insight into making people like you instantly lies in the principle of genuine interest and positive reinforcement. When you show a real interest in others and offer sincere compliments, you create a positive feedback loop that makes them feel good about themselves, and in turn, more likely to like you. Dale Carnegie, in his classic book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, emphasized the importance of being genuinely interested in others and making them feel valued. This principle is timeless and universally effective. To summarize, the art of making people like you immediately hinges on small but significant gestures. Maintaining eye contact, smiling genuinely, using names, mirroring body language, showing genuine interest, and giving sincere compliments are all strategies that can create a positive first impression. These simple actions can transform your interactions and help you build meaningful connections effortlessly. Remember, the power of small gestures in building rapport cannot be underestimated. Now that you have these tips at your disposal, I encourage you to practice them in your daily interactions. Notice the difference in how people respond to you. Making a positive impression quickly is achievable through simple but powerful techniques. These strategies help create an immediate connection and make others feel valued, paving the way for meaningful relationships. So get out there in the world and practice these tips in your daily interactions and share the experiences in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving social skills. Create a good day